Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Happy Mammoth, a brand that's been making waves in the wellness community. With claims of natural solutions for hormone balance, gut health, and sleep support, it's essential to determine if this brand is truly legitimate or just another overhyped supplement company. Happy Mammoth is an Australian-based company offering a range of health and wellness supplements, including products like Hormone Harmony, Prebiotic Collagen Protein, and Deep Sleep Mode. They emphasize natural, organic ingredients and claim to tailor their products to individual health needs. Customer reviews are a mixed bag. On the positive side, Happy Mammoth boasts a 4.3 out of 5-star rating on Trustpilot based on over 2,000 reviews. Many users praise the effectiveness of the products, noting improvements in mood, energy levels, and digestive health. One reviewer mentioned, "I have recommended this product to so many people. I have noticed a significant improvement in my gut health and overall well-being since using Happy Mammoth supplements." However, not all feedback is glowing. Some customers have reported issues with customer service, delayed shipping, and challenges with the refund process. For instance, the Better Business Bureau, BBB, has documented several complaints regarding delayed refunds and unresponsive customer service. One customer noted, "I placed an order on January 15th, and it still hasn't been processed. Emails remain unanswered, and I'm down $90." It's also worth noting that while the products are marketed as natural and organic, they are not regulated by the FDA. This means that while many ingredients have scientific backing, the products themselves haven't undergone rigorous testing for efficacy and safety. In conclusion, Happy Mammoth appears to be a legitimate company with a range of products that have benefited many users. However, potential customers should be aware of the reported customer service issues and the lack of FDA regulation. As always, consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen.